Today we will see preparation and chemical reactions of furan. Furan is 5-membered oxygen containing heterocycle. First it is prepared from mucic acid. Mucic acid is a tetrahydroxyhexanedioic acid. Mucic acid is tetrahydroxyhexanedioic acid. It is an here OH, COOH, COOH. Here this is OH, OH. IUPAC name 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrahydroxyhexanedioic acid. First carbon, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. That is OH group is present on second, third, fourth, fifth. Tetrahydroxyhexanedioic acid, which is the mucic acid. This is on a dry distillation. Dry distillation. Loss of 3 water molecules as well as 1 CO2. Okay, 3 water from here. There is one of the hydrogen. This is one of the H2O. Second water molecule is from this one. Loss of second H2O, and the third water molecule here. This is an H2O. Okay, 3 water molecule, and the bond will form between this oxygen and carbon, and again one of the CO2. In this way, we will get here one of the intermediate product as furoic acid. It is an furoic acid. C double bond O, OH. Furoic acid, on again heating, it undergoes a decarboxylation, that is loss of this CO2, that is this electron shifted here, formation of double bond, this electron towards carbon, that negative carbon takes proton and it is converted into furan. Okay, this is preparation of furan from mucic acid. Second preparation is from succinylate. From succinylate. Succinylate, the IUPAC name is butanediol. Okay, 1,4-butanediol. Succinylate. This is CH2, CHO, CH2, CHO. Succinylate. Succinylate is treated with acid like ZnCl2, P2O5 or concentrated sulfuric acid, which gives H plus ion, and it undergoes cyclization, and then by dehydration it gives rise to furan. Okay, these both the oxygen having lone pair of electrons. Initially in presence of acid it undergoes protonation, then there will be cyclization takes place by attack of second oxygen on the carbon, and then there will be dehydration and it results into formation of furan. These are the two preparation methods. Then we will see chemical reactions of furan. chemical reactions in which the first one is electrophilic substitution reactions. The electrophilic substitution reactions on furan takes place at second position. Okay. First one is an nitration. Nitration, that is introduction of a nitro NO2 at second position of the furan by using the reagent as HNO3 plus acetic anhydride. Here furan is treated with concentrated nitric acid plus acetic anhydride CS3 C double bond O OCOCS3. Then we will get the product as a 2-nitrofuran. Initially, what happens from this mixture of the HNO3 and this acetic anhydride, we will get one of the intermediate, that is acetyl nitrate CS3 C double bond O NO2 acetyl nitrate. That acetyl nitrate again it is converted into dinitrogen pentoxide, and from that we will get NO2 as electrophile. Once that electrophile is generated, that will be attacked at second position, and finally on a deprotonation it gives rise to 2-nitrofuran. That is the mechanism of this reaction. Okay. Next reaction is sulfonation of furan. Sulfonation. Here furan is treated with sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine SO3 in pyridine as a base. It gives rise to furan 2-sulfonic acid. Okay, SO3H. That is furan 2-sulfonic acid. Here SO3 is already electrophile. The double bond from the second position will be attacked on this SO3, which is converted into SO3 minus. That SO3 minus takes proton and will get here product as a furan 2-sulfonic acid. Okay, this is sulfonation reaction. Next one, halogenation. Here introduction of halogen at the second position of the furan. Furan is treated with X2. It may be Cl2 or Br2. Here Cl2 in presence of here either AlCl3, BF3, FeCl3, ZnCl2, any Lewis acid. Okay, any Lewis acid, FeCl3 or BF3. Then we will get the product as a 2-chlorofuran. The function of Lewis acid is to accept the electron with a pair of that is electron pair from the Cl. From that 2Cl2, one of the Cl takes both the electron, it becomes Cl minus, and that Cl minus is accepted by FeCl3 or any Lewis acid. Okay, it becomes Cl plus as electrophile. That electrophile attack at second position and we will get the product as a 2-chlorofuran. This is the mechanism. Then next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation is nothing but when furan is treated with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives rise to 2-acetylfuran. treated with here acetyl chloride CS3COCl or acetic anhydride, that is CS3C double bond O OCOCS3 in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or BF3, here BF3 or AlCl3, which are again Lewis acids, which having the affinity towards here Cl minus and here CH3COO minus. Here this bond is broken down, Cl minus, and here this one, and this part is an electrophile CH3CO plus acylium ion, this one, that will be attacked at second position and will get the product as 2-acetylfuran. 2-acetylfuran. Okay, this is a product, that is Fidelkraft acylation. Aromatic compound, here it is an furan heterocyclic compound which is treated with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of Lewis acid, will get product as a 2-acetylfuran, and if you take acetyl chloride then the byproduct is HCl. Okay, and if you take here acetic anhydride then the byproduct is acetic acid CS3COH. That is the only difference, and the main product is same for both the cases here. Next one is a Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. Here furan is treated with mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of again AlCl3, that is anhydrous AlCl3, carbon monoxide plus hydrochloric acid and anhydrous AlCl3 in presence of this AlCl3 will get a product as 2,4-mil-furan, that is also known as furfural, that is also known as furfural or 2,4-mil-furan. Okay, Gattermann-Koch reaction. Here remember Koch, CO, carbon monoxide is in the name of the scientist, that is Koch, CO. Take here this CO. Okay, Gattermann-Koch reaction. In Gattermann there is a mixture of HCl, HCl and AlCl3, but here in the Koch there is a carbon monoxide instead of HCl, hydrogen cyanide. Okay, this is Gattermann reaction. Next reaction is an Gomberg reaction. Gomberg reaction. Here furan is treated with benzene diazonium chloride, that is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride in presence of basic condition, that is NaOH, that base takes the proton from the second position of the furan and then it will be attack on this carbon. There will be loss of that N2, which is a good leaving group. N2 plus is a good leaving group, will get a 2-aryl furan. Okay, the role of base is to abstract the proton so as to second position becomes more nucleophilic. Okay, here formation of 2-aryl furan. This is our product, Gomberg reaction. Next reaction is a reaction with N-butyl lithium. reaction with N-butyl lithium. N-butyl lithium. Here, this N-butyl lithium is an organometallic compound. Bu, that is a C4H9Li. Here this is an C4H9 is an alkyl which is a negative, and here lithium having the positive charge. Okay, this having the positive charge, organometallic compound. Now what happens? This negative charge here, it acts as a base. It takes the proton from the second position. Okay, it takes proton, and this electron shifted towards this carbon. That carbon becomes negative, and that will be react with Li, formation of 2 lithium furan. Here there is formation of Cli bond, 2 lithium furan. Okay, and the byproduct is C4H10 as alkane, butane. Next reaction is cycloaddition reaction. Cycloaddition reaction in which a Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is a cycloaddition reaction in which the diene is treated with dienophile, that is 4-pi plus 2-pi cycloaddition gives rise to a cyclic adduct. That is a Diels-Alder reaction. Here diene is nothing but here furan, can be written like this, furan, which is treated with here dienophile, like here benzene or malic anhydride, which having one of the reactive bond, that is a double bond. Although it is a triple bond, only this double bond which is present outside the ring, that is reactive, that is an dienophile. This is a diene, 4-pi plus a 2-pi cycloaddition reaction takes place. On simply heating, the cycloaddition takes place in this way. This bond will be attacked on this carbon. At the same time, this electron shifted here. At the same time, this electron will be attacked at this carbon, and we will get the product of this reaction as this is an cyclic adduct. The bonds present inside the ring remains as it is, and here this bond shifted here to form this one cyclic adduct. This is a cyclic adduct. Okay, Diels-Alder reaction, simply 4-pi plus 2-pi cycloaddition reaction takes place. And the last one is an reduction. In reduction, the furan undergoes reduction with metal like Raney nickel or platinum, palladium, to give rise to tetrahydrofuran. Reduces with Raney nickel, provides the protons, reactive hydrogens. Okay, here that is 4 hydrogens which will be added on carbon-carbon double bond, and will get a product as tetrahydrofuran. Short form is a THF. THF is a solvent used in number of reactions instead of ethers. Okay, it is one of the example of cyclic ether, carbon oxygen carbon bond. Okay, reduction. In this way, we have completed the first point, that is preparation and chemical reactions of furan. We will stop here.